How to fix PS4 cannot start. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from Genie Guide, and in this guide video I will show you how you can fix if your PlayStation says that it cannot start. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So you might generally have this kind of error when you're turning on your PlayStation. In my case, as you can see, my PlayStation is clean, and in that case what I would recommend you do is, if you have that error on your PlayStation, first of all you have to connect your controller, which is your PlayStation, your Sony controller, with a USB cable. So you can see the mini USB port right over here, which is the micro USB port. And what I would generally recommend you do is, first of all, simply connect your controller to your PlayStation with a wire or with a cable. And when you connect it, and you have to simply press the PS button on your controller. So just follow my instructions accordingly. You have to connect it, and then you have to press the PS button accordingly. And once you press the PS button on your controller, you will see some kind of interface on your PlayStation which says, and which gives you the option to update your system software, or maybe to initialize or to restore default settings. You should generally see those kind of screen. So what I would recommend you do is, if you see initialization, you could go ahead and select initialization, and you could go ahead and simply check for software updates. And I will also go to this option which says system software update, and you could select connect using the internet. And what that does is that it is going to install the latest version of the update and hopefully solve your issue. The other thing you could also do is to go to system, and you could go ahead and simply select any of these options, or you could go to restore default settings in order to reset all of his settings to default. Hopefully one of these would have helped solve the issue, and if it did help solve the issue, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.